We've spoken a lot in this article about different ways to build consents, assign consents, but let's talk about the practicalities of how the heck do we manage it if a student says, I don't want to receive an email. Well, fortunately, there's a couple of really good ways to do this, so we'll walk through those just now. Now, if you are a Gecko Protect user, this is by far and away the easiest method to manage this particular problem. I'm looking at a drag and drop email here, and at the bottom of every single drag and drop emails by default is a link to this particular unsubscribe link. It's a template tag that you guys have exclusive use of, and it's contact.unsubscribe. Effectively, what happens if a student clicks this link is that whatever consent reasons are set up on your particular template, either email or SMS, if the student clicks that link, it's going to opt them out with this consent reason. So very easy, out of the box, it's set up, and you can use this on emails and texts, contact.unsubscribe. If you're not a Gecko Protect user, there's a number of other really easily and implementable solutions, if that's a word. And we're going to potentially look at one option here. Now, what I recommend is, instead of using the contact unsubscribe link, which you guys wouldn't be able to make use of, just simply replace it with a link to a form that you create on Gecko. And this could be really straightforward. We could pre-fill the name and the email address so the student doesn't have to see that information because we know who they are. And it could just be as simple as saying, all right, manage your consents, and have the student choose what they want to opt in or out of. And this can be included in any email you send. And using the power of workflows, we can do simple things that say, if the student says, yeah, I want to opt into email, then we give them consent to receive emails. But if they don't, then we would rescind that particular permission. Now, it may be that you're not making use of consents at all in Gecko, in which case no problem at all. Another thing you could very easily do would be doing something like adding a label to the contact. So it could be as stark as do not email. And going forward, anyone with a do not email label is somebody who you're not going to be pulling into any email broadcasts, for example.